Digestive system po is a complex series of organs and glands that processes food. In order to use the food we eat, our body has to break the food down into smaller molecules that it can process. It also has to excrete waste. Most of the digestive organs are the stomach. Stomach is a large sac-like organ that churns the food, while the large and small intestines are the lower part of the alimentary canal from the end of the stomach to the anus. Paano po ba nagkakaroon ng hypertension ng isang tao? A human can get easily high blood pressure because of eating oily foods that can cause cholesterol and break up the tissues of the wall of arteries. Tandaan, ang buhay ay weather lang. Balik sa'yo, Denson.